German Einzigartigkeit. And Einzigartigkeit, I had to look up. And so perhaps somebody can give me the awards, because now we're trying, we do have an international superstar, now we'll try how she's in weightlifting here too, in precious metal. So here's one echo. Thank you. Here's another one. Can you hold this? And the third one. All the echo awards. You want me to help me? She's also good in weightlifting. You okay? All right. Here you go. All right, thank you. Dass sie sich die Zeit nimmt, kurz bevor sie gleich auf die Bühne geht.
I love you so much. It's been a real joy getting to know my fans in Germany, and it's always been a dream of mine to have success here, as the music here in Germany and the club culture has inspired so much of my music on the Fame Monster. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I remember last year I saw one of my favorite bands, Metallica, play in this arena. And I had lots to drink and was wearing denim and leather. Thank you for your support, and I will put these right next to my Grammys in America and put that plaque on my wall and think of my beautiful German fans and the German company every time I see them. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
This is gigantic here.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Die und die Preise, bitte, alle.
Weil Lady Gaga einzigartig ist und der London Ultra Pop seit dem 21. Jahrhundert.
Die sieht genauso privat aus, wie sie auf der Bühne aussieht. Ja, die sieht genauso aus. Also die lebt das wirklich, deshalb ist das auch authentisch.
For the party, that would be really weird and crazy. Gaga rocks. I'm a fan of Gaga. Yeah, it's really cool.
Von wo seid ihr?
Ja, immer ein Typen dabei und der hält mir den Preis.